Welcome to this deep dive into chain replication, a powerful technique for building strongly consistent and high-throughput distributed storage systems. In this video, we'll explore how chain replication uses a simple linear topology to achieve both strong consistency guarantees and excellent read scalability. By the end, you'll understand how this elegant architecture works and why it's used in production systems today. Chain replication is a replication strategy where data is duplicated across a linear sequence of servers, arranged in a strict order. This architecture ensures that all clients see the same data at the same time, which we call strong consistency. The key insight is arranging servers in a chain where writes always go through the first server, and reads can be served by the last server. This simple approach avoids the complexity of traditional consensus algorithms while delivering strong guarantees. The chain consists of three roles: the head server, which accepts all write requests from clients, the middle servers, which replicate the data as it flows through the chain, and the tail server, which serves read requests. Data flows from left to right through the chain, and this strict ordering is what makes strong consistency possible. Think of it like a bucket brigade, where each person passes the data to the next one in line. When a client wants to write data, the process happens in three steps. First, the client sends the write request to the head server. The head then propagates this update to the middle servers, which pass it along to the tail. Only after the tail server receives and commits the data does it send an acknowledgement back through the chain to the client. This ensures that every server has the update before the client knows the write succeeded. Read operations are much simpler and faster. The client sends read requests directly to the tail server, bypassing the head and middle servers entirely. Since the tail only acknowledges writes after receiving them, it always has the most recent data. This design distributes read load across multiple tail replicas and provides strong consistency simultaneously. Clients never see stale data because reads always go to the server with the latest updates. Chain replication provides what's called linearizability, meaning every read returns the most recent write that was acknowledged. All writes are applied in the exact order they were received, never out of order. When you read from the tail, you get read after write consistency, meaning if you write data and then read, you will see your write. The tail acts as a single source of truth for all reads, guaranteeing that no client ever sees stale or inconsistent data. Throughput in chain replication has two different characteristics. Write throughput is sequential, meaning writes are bottlenecked by the slowest server in the chain. You cannot parallelize writes because each one must flow through all servers in order. However, read throughput is highly scalable. As you add more tail replicas, read capacity increases linearly, allowing read-heavy workloads to scale without limit. This makes chain replication ideal for systems that read much more often than they write. Chain replication handles server failures gracefully. If the head fails, the next server in line becomes the new head and clients start sending writes there. If a middle server fails, it's simply removed from the chain, and the previous server forwards data directly to the successor. If the tail fails, the previous server becomes the new tail and resends previous write acknowledgements. A monitoring service detects these failures and reconfigures the chain automatically, ensuring the system continues running without data loss. Chain replication offers several significant advantages. It provides strong consistency without requiring complex distributed consensus protocols like Paxos or Raft. Read throughput scales linearly with each additional tail replica you add to the system. The replication mechanism is efficient because it simply propagates updates sequentially down the chain, avoiding network overhead. The system is fault-tolerant and handles node failures gracefully through automatic reconfiguration. This combination makes it especially ideal for write-once, read-many workloads with strong consistency requirements. Like any system, chain replication has limitations. Write latency is determined by the slowest node in the chain because updates cannot be parallelized across servers. Longer chains increase write latency proportionally, limiting how many servers you can add. Chain reconfiguration during failures requires careful coordination to maintain consistency. Despite these trade-offs, chain replication excels in systems where strong consistency and read scalability are more important than fast write performance. Chain replication principles are used in many production systems today. Strongly consistent key-value stores use chain replication for read-heavy databases. Log services use it for ordered event replication and audit trails. Financial systems rely on it for transaction ledgers that require strict consistency. Configuration services use it for distributed settings that must be consistent across servers. Companies like Google with Chubby, LinkedIn with Kafka, and various NoSQL databases implement chain replication concepts in their architecture. Let's summarize the key concepts. Chain replication uses a simple linear architecture that avoids complex consensus algorithms. It achieves strong consistency through sequential write propagation and tail reads. Read operations scale independently because they distribute across tail replicas. The system makes practical trade-offs where write latency is limited by chain length, making it ideal for read-heavy workloads. Chain replication elegantly solves the consistency versus scalability challenge for distributed systems that prioritize correctness over write speed.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.